Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you open a Word document and there it is, the Copilot chat pane or the chat panel size in from the size uninvited. You close it, you start typing, 5 minutes later, same thing. You click hidden and it's back again. It's like having a well-meaning but overbearing assistant who keeps interrupting your work to ask if you need help. The good news is that you can permanently disable Copilot from automatically popping up in your Office apps. The bad news, this session is per app, per device, so you will need to repeat it for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and all of this. Basically anything else you use. But don't really worry, we're just gonna go and do it, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So for the official toggle, you should go to File, Options, Copilot, and that's it. If your version of Office is fully updated, this is the cleanest method. Open PowerPoint, Word, whatsoever, go to File, Options, Copilot, and clear the Enable Copilot checkbox. Then click OK. Close and restart the app. Repeat for every Microsoft 365 on every device you use. The privacy workaround if you don't have the Copilot tab. If your version doesn't have a Copilot tab in options, don't worry. You can disable Copilot by turning off connected experience that analyze your content. So on Windows, File, Account privacy, manage settings, clear, turn on experience that analyze your content. On Mac, you can always go to Preferences, Personal Settings, Privacy, Connected Experience, Manage Connected Experience, then Clear. Anyway, there's just 3 keys for PowerPoint Side Master Bug. PowerPoint has a specific issue where Copilot auto launches when you exit Side Master View. There is no built-in toggle for this one, but a registry edit can stop it. Go through Windows +R, type regedit, and navigate to the Software Microsoft Office Common Experiment tab. You can create a D-word 32-bit called Microsoft Copilot Auto Launch and set its value to 0, then start PowerPoint. You can also disable the add-in or uninstall the. It's basically the nuclear option or the last option. I mean, it would do you actual good, but it's your point. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.